And here is the set number. Oh. 60287 tractor. Hey, it's better than what Has Been would have named it. Red Joy Tractor. That's what it. Red Joy Tractor Prime is what they would have called it, but still. Now, here's the little behind. Let me just. Here's the little behind. It has some nice printing. Sorry about that, I was having trouble focusing. There we go. This reminds me of something from, something that, my Motley Python crew did once. Yes, and we shall count to 5, 3, then throw the holy hand grenade. Of course, well, you get a standard crate in, light brown. New for 2021, a juvenile pumpkin. Standard carrot. Standard red apple. And speaking of new for 2021, you get this, a 2x2 by 2/3 ridge piece in tan. You get 4 of them to make 2 of these. You know, if you get 4 in black to put in here. And speaking of another new part, let's look at the minifigs first. Happy. Content. Because his daughter's playing with the bunny. No face, because you didn't earn it. And, alright, from right here to here is a 2x6x1 bracket piece. Yes. These wheels are new. These rims are new. New wheels, new rims, and new connection points right here. And of course, before I forget anything else, this can swivel up and down and ratchet up and down. Now, let me just attach this real quick. Yeah, for 20 bucks you get all this and it's good. You can put a driver in here, and that's it. So, yeah. There we go.